Hi there, this is Dan Shore, coming to you live from the floor at InfoComm. I'd like to introduce you to the TOA VM-3000 audio distribution system. This system is full range audio from 50 to 20K, is able to distribute audio, regular paging, background music, foreground music, noise masking, whatever you'd like, to up to 60 zones with a total of up to 2,000 watts of audio power. The best thing about this is that it is able to provide emergency audio. It is UL 864 and UL 2572 listed for use with any addressable UL listed fire alarm control panel. You provide the fire alarm control panel, you provide the strobes, we provide the audio for the system. One set of speakers to the building, no more 3 sets of speakers duplicating coverage. We hope you come and take a look at this. If you'd like more information on this, please drop by our website at www.toaelectronics.com.